Annapolis home prices are up 1% year to date to $599,000. It's Friday, October 4th, 2024. I'm Kimberly Barton, broker owner of Kinetic Realty, Maryland's indie boutique brokerage. This is the weekly Annapolis Real Estate Report. Homes sold are also up 1.35%, with 973 having closed since the beginning of the year in 7 days. Inventory continues to rise and is now at 167 homes for sale in Annapolis, and 18 are coming soon. 32 homes went under contract this past week, 27 homes sold, but dropped to 97.1%, and days before contract rose to 20 days. Rentals rose to 39 available at $3,050 median per month. That's a wrap for this week's Annapolis Real Estate Report for Friday, October 4th, 2024. Thanks so much for tuning in. Enjoy your weekend. I'll see you next week. Take care. Stay safe.